Hello. Are we going to wake up this afternoon?
Yeah, was it busy last night?
It was alright.
Really good.
It was alright.
What's for breakfast?
Breakfast. Kiss my ass. It's lunchtime, biatch.
It's 1
Are
o'clock.
you videotaping?
Yes.
Why? What are you doing? Really?
It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
No.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Are you getting up now?
No.
What's your problem, biatch? Hey, shitty. There's nothing there to bark at. What are you barking at? Hi. Hi, Kelly. Kelly.